Good day and welcome to video number 6 of the 2023 NCEA Level 3 Statistics paper called Apply Probability Concepts in Solving Problem. So don't get mixed up with probability distribution, that is another paper. So without further ado, let's do question 1B part 1 in this video for video number 6. So the question for this video is a combination of part 1 and part 2 for you to be able to get excellent. So if you get the part 1 right and part 2 is also right, then you get excellent for this question. So without further ado, we do part 1 and in the next video, we do part 2. We're going to read the question. It may be a bit small because of the graph, so we're going to read slowly, okay? The price of a cup of coffee in New Zealand is measured every quarter, so every 3 months period by Statistics New Zealand, okay? The visualization below shows how much the price of coffee has changed in that quarter as a percentage from the previous year over a 10-year period from the second quarter of 2012 to second quarter of 2022. No, this means that there are 41 quarters included in a graph. So each line represents a quarter. So in that case, there are altogether 41 quarters. So we know that the total number of quarters is 41. That is important because you need the information to solve the question. So the question is, a statistician had been asked to review the model that claimed that probability of the next 2 successive quarters shows a price increase from a cup of coffee just under 20%. So is he correct? Show how this model could have been developed. Okay, so of course he's a statistician and he'll be right. So now we are going to prove that it's nearly 20% or more than 20%. So we're going to do that. So what we're going to do, we're going to count those above the increase of amount of coffee. So coffee will increase in price the next quarter. So those above the line here, 0, it increase. So we will count it there. I counted before, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Let me count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I miss here. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So there are 18 out of the 41 quarters where there is a price increase for coffee. So we're going to put the probability is 18 over 41. Okay. In fact, the marking schedule says if 17 is acceptable, so we're going to choose is 18 because I counted there are 18 quarters that increase in coffee price. So we're going to put as 18 out of the total quarters, which is 41. So the probability is 18 over 41. So the next question is, what is the claim that the next 2 successive quarters shows an increase of 20%. We have to prove him right, okay? So the coffee will increase in price the next 2 successive quarters. So the first quarter is going to be 18 over 41, okay? The next quarter will also be 18 over 41, or if you want to put it 18 over 41, you square it, okay? If you put in a calculator, and I've done it before, it's going to be 0.193, or if you want to in percentage is 19.3%. So his claim that it is about 20%, under 20% is correct. So that's how you're going to answer this. That is the merit you can solve this. And then you need to make an assumption in part 2 of the video for you to be able to get an excellent. So watch the next video for the assumption for this question and we will get an excellent for this question. Cheers everyone and have a great day.